আশ্চর্য নিরাসক্ত মায়াবাদনে আবদ্ধ. So have you ever seen a air guitar? Air guitar is like you're strumming with your hand and the chords are playing, but actually there is no guitar. Using a webcam, like in this case, I'm using my phone's camera as webcam, and it will detect the chord shape, and when I strum with my right hand, it will just play the chords. That's amazing, right? This is a camera vision project for our Python, and this is amazing. But here's the challenge. Can I play a song? Can I sing a song and play the chords in it? Like actually, will it work? So let's dive into this video. So let's check we can do this or not. So what we have used is just Python and its libraries, and we just need a webcam. So for you, you can use your phone, just connect it with the IP address so that it turns into a webcam. So let's see what is in this folder. So we have the app.py. This is the main code for this air guitar, and this is the landmarkers. I will give this to you in the GitHub. This is compulsory for this project, and this is the sounds folder. Here all the chords, like you can see the G major chord, the F sharp major chord, everything will be played here. Let's just have a sound. That's F sharp and that's F. So I have recorded them using the FL Studio. So here you can see FL Studio. So here we have used the FL Studio to record the sounds or the chords. So I will also give them in the GitHub. You will have access them in my GitHub. And this is the virtual environment. So here is the Python and all the libraries included. So here is the code. Let's see what is in the code. Okay, so in the top you can see we have used a few of the libraries of Python. There is CV2 or OpenCV, there is MediaPipe, and there is Pygame. So these are the three main components for this project, this air guitar. So first of all, the OpenCV. So in the OpenCV, it just captures the webcam and have the feed on your computer. And then there is Pygame. Pygame is actually used for playing the song, playing the chords. Here you can see the chord library. Like in any other Pygame project you have done, you can see you just use the sound module or the sound library to connect with Pygame and just play the sounds there. So here the same thing happening. And the MediaPipe is the core or the brain for this project. So what MediaPipe does is it essentially gives the landmarks of your hand position. It uses 21 landmark to detect your fingers. Like if your finger is up or down, it detects with 25 landmarks. So you have four fingers. Four finger uses four nodes, and one node is in the palm. So by this nodes, they actually map your fingers and detect if they're up or they're down or not. So let me give you an example here. Like in the chords map, you can see here the chords map for D major chord. I'm just showing you in my guitar what is actually D major. So you can see the D major. So I usually play D major with these three fingers. So that's why this is mapped like index, then ring finger, and then the middle finger. Sorry, then lastly the ring finger, and the middle finger, and in the first the index finger. So here it just plays like this. This is the D major. And then the A major. A major uses the last three fingers. This is middle, ring, and pinky. So this plays the A major. And the G, for G, I have used these three fingers. The index, the middle, and the pinky. So whenever this project or this air guitar have the feed from this webcam about your fingers, like when it sees that these three fingers are up, it plays the A major chord. Like the last three fingers up, the A major chord is played, and these three fingers are up, the D major chord is played, and these three fingers are up, it will play the G major. But you can obviously make another chord using this chords library. Like just in the chord shape, you can just make another chord, like just Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl paste again. And here you can make another chord. Let's see, E. I want to play E. Just have E, and I just want two fingers to be played as E, a 0. And you just add in the chords loading, here the load chord sound, just add this E. So you have now the four chords D, A, G, E, and this is how you can add the chords. So let's have a demo how actually it works in practical example. So let's place my phone here and it will work as a webcam, and now just I'm running this Python file to see what happens. So right now you can see my webcam is detecting my faces, and here is say the chord is none. Here is a fretboard, a mini fretboard actually. Like when I place my fingers, you can see there is actually 21 landmarks. There is four in this finger, four in this finger, there, and one at here. So it just detects the chords like this place. You can see in the here I have added that the if the last three fingers are up, it will play A major. So in the webcam you can see that the last three are up and it is detecting as A major. Again here this is D major. So if these three fingers are up, this is D major. Here you can see D major, and lastly this is a G major. So here you can see it detects as G major. So let's play this. You have seen already displayed like the G major chord. So let's play again. You can see when my hand just goes up or down this green line, it just plays the chords. Like again, again. I think you can hear these sounds. So I think you have the demo, like my three fingers are up, this is A major, and I'm playing the chord. I just played again, chord shifted, again played, and then another chord. So let's see if we can sing a song with it, and this is the most challenging part, cause I have a field latency here, like it's detecting. Okay, I have a little bit of latency there, and when I sing, my microphone captures this, and my speaker is just playing the chords. So let's give it a try. Let's see what happens. আশ্চর্য নিরাসক্ত মায়াবাদনে আবদ্ধ চেনা বৃত্তের আবর্তে আবারও আবার দেখা হলে মিলিয়ে নিও মনের ছবি শুনেছি বদলে গেছে জানি বদলায়নি বুকের খাঁচায় উদাস নীলাপ পাখি. So you just saw that it's possible to sing with it. I can play chords very, I think fluently. You can play fluently if you have a lot of practice, and the latency was like okay. So the complete code is open source. I have given this in my GitHub and I have made the blog. You just read this and how it works and all the libraries associated with it you will have in the blog. So thank you very much for your watching, and I think you had liked this project, and stay tuned with Roborear, and thank you very much.